guys, and today I'm just going to be making a complete tour of where I'm staying at in North Carolina. Okay, so up here, that's house I'm staying in, and the original owner stays here, and he owns a farm as well. So let's get started. Okay, so right here, there are 3 goats in this area. The one right there laying his head on the bench, that one, actually, using selfie mode, is actually pregnant. And yes, that is something down as well. There's a goat back over there, and also this baby goat right here, just 8 days old. Turn back a little bit. Baby goat's just 8 days old. Can you look at the camera? Baby goat. I think he's asleep. I just popped up. Like, can you look at the camera? His name's Kevin. There's another guy over here. That's his mom. There are chickens on this farm, but the farmer hasn't taken them out yet. So, yeah. Cute little Kevin. Oh, yeah. So cute, isn't he? Look at him. Cute. Yeah. It's my butter. Sorry about that. So this is the terrace land over here. Terrace land, but the chickens are right now the chickens and chicks are actually over there. Right now I'm at my container. So yeah. Oh, Kevin's sleeping over there. So swing over there. Brother's not happy right now. This is this garden. And now let's go back here. He owns all this land. All of it. Every little bit of it. And here, and across this bridge that he made himself. Okay. There's a lot of animals. So let's get down right here. Okay. Okay. You enjoy this land? Just gonna walk around it and show you some swing up. That guy's looking at me. Looking at me. Okay. Let's go over here. Got you. Please, well, I may not be that good at getting the pictures on it. It doesn't take this with selfie mode. And this camera like all blurry. And it's all broken and all, so yeah. Just walk around. So there. Okay. Good. Here. Some ducks that actually live on this farm. They're kind of a little bit cute, but they can be real punks sometimes. I can barely get up here. Yeah. Especially one-handed. So that is a complete overview of this whole thing. Dang it.